This is the baby. He's crazy, and we believe that he has a demon spirit. He's been spitting, grabbing at objects,
Especially light.
and acting crazy. He hates the light. He wants to turn it off. So today, we're going to perform baby exorcism. Look at that. Trying to speak the evil tongues. Okay, y'all think he looks all nice now? Watch. All right, here we go.
My name is Ryan McGee, and I
Gotcha. I gotcha.
I love the honor
Okay.
because they
Demon! Demon! Release thee! Release thee, demon! Release thee, demon! Demon! Release thee! Release thee, demon! Okay, I couldn't do it. He almost ripped my throat off. Okay.
It's coming towards me.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Demon! He's evil! Demon! Release the child! Release! Release the! Release the demon! There's no hope. There's no hope for this. He's just crazy. Look at him. Look at him. Don't come at me. Don't come at me! No! He's crazy! Come on, man! Come on, man! Okay, I'm playing. No! 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 Release me! Release me! Release it! Release it! Release my child! Oh my gosh. If y'all are out there